Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ruler in Canva. So it's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So let's say this is the project you're working on. All they have to do is go into the file and go to the settings, and you can see the option of show rulers and guide. You can simply tap in there. And there you go. These are the rulers. You can see one at the left corner and one at the top. What you got to do now is you can simply take the help of the ruler to margin. Suppose I'm going to show you. Let's click here and drag it all the way here, and once it shows the purple, this is where it's perfect to align as a margin. So let's keep it there. And as you can see, there is no ruler in the right side. Again, let's drag it from here. Let's drag it from over here and all the way there. Once it shows purple, let's align it over there. And likewise, let's drag it from the top over at the purple. Yeah. And there's no at the bottom. We can simply use a one from the top. And yeah. So this is how you add ruler in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.